Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HMD Arc phone. In this video I'll show you how to set up Bluetooth and pair wireless headphones on this device. So let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that Bluetooth connection is on your device. You can check that using your quick settings panel, and please check if it says Bluetooth on. Now let's open settings and enter section connected devices, and now press button pair new device. Then after this you need to put your headset in pairing mode. If you don't know how to do it, in general you need to find a power button on your headphones and you need to press and hold it. Also, there may be dedicated Bluetooth button on your headphones, so keep pressing and holding it. And here under section on your phone, under section available devices, you should see your headphones. So when you see it, simply tap on it. It will say pairing, and after this the status will change to connected if your phone is connected to your wireless headphones. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, and I see you in the next video.